Hey, so now we're gonna get another error has occurred. I already own Titanfall, but it seems like they got the Ultimate Edition sale for only $9.99. So there's some add-ons that I don't own, which it's well worth buying because it's gonna give me all the stuff I don't own. So it's totally worth picking up for the $9.99. Add the cart. I'm gonna buy this right now for the $9.99. Proceed to checkout. It's going to give me an error has occurred like always for every single thing I do, and Sony doesn't fix a thing that I ask them to. Proceed to checkout. Confirm purchase. It's going to say an error has occurred. This is different. What just happened? Okay. Okay, so now that never happened before. That is very strange. Okay. What just happened? Look, it took the money out of my wallet. Look at my wallet right now. See? It took the money out of my wallet. It's not downloading. That was very strange. This is something different now. There you go. Boom. See? Problems don't stop. I mean, 25 years plus of investment, when am I just going to stop? You know, I mean...